Hi, in this video, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Holy Spirit Healing Prayer Workshop. I hold my workshops virtually using Zoom, and I'm really excited about the Zoom technology because I believe it allows me to reach out to people who are on their healing journey and couldn't attend live workshops like I couldn't have. So when I was in the grips of my fibromyalgia, there's no way I could commit to a live workshop, let's say at a parish or something. I just didn't know from day to day how my body was going to be feeling. So by using Zoom, first of all, participants get to participate in the comfort of their own home, in a chair or setting that's comfortable for them. Secondly, if you miss a workshop because you're not feeling well or something comes up, that's no problem either. Participants will receive a link to view each workshop at a time and place that is convenient for them. If you look below me, you will see a button that has the agenda for the 6-week workshop. So there are 6 one-hour sessions in the workshop, and they can be held over either 6 weeks or 3 weeks. In this healing workshop, we learn how to relax, restore, and rejoice. So first we learn how to relax, how to initiate in our body what's called the relaxation response, a direct offsetting response to the fight or flight response. This is a method that has been shown scientifically to heal a lot of disorders, everything from fibromyalgia, chronic pain conditions, rheumatoid arthritis, etc. So after learning how to initiate the relaxation response, we build on that and learn how to incorporate the Holy Spirit Healing Prayer Method. So the Holy Spirit Healing Prayer Method incorporates our mind, body, soul, and spirit. So we intentionally bring God into the healing journey to maximize our body's healing potential. Next, we learn how to rejoice, how to incorporate more joy and positivity in our lives so that we can be the happiest, healthiest, holiest version of ourselves. Now, these sessions are held over either a 3-week period or a 6-week period. Not because the information I'm sharing is difficult, but it's just that it's important to use the tools that you will learn in the workshop and incorporate them into your life. That's the hardest part, to create a new habit. It's also important to get feedback, see how things are working for you, see what's comfortable, answer any questions or concerns you might have. And you also won't see the healing benefits until you've used these tools over an extended period of time. So it's not like a pharmaceutical where you might take a pill and within 20 minutes be feeling pain relief. This is a slower but more impactful way of healing. Workshops are hands-on and can be customized for small groups such as parish staff, school staff, prayer groups, work settings, etc. Contact me today so that we can set up your healing workshop.